Hey everyone, it's Dom here from Aqua Fitness Online. I'm presenting a session called Activating the Posterior Chain at Marietta Mehanni's virtual training day on August 30th. I hope you can join us. For me, this session's all about how we as Aqua Fitness instructors can make a difference in people's lives. And I think we have a huge opportunity to help people function better in their daily lives by helping them strengthen the muscles in the back of the body. By achieving better body balance through the muscles in the front and the back of the body, as well as both sides of the body, we influence the way people live their daily lives and how tall and strong and stable they feel. Because if they train in the water to help achieve this muscle balance, then throughout their day, they're surely going to live a better life. So we have a huge influence as Aqua Fitness instructors, and I would love to go through that within the session. So hopefully you can join. We will have a lot of video footage and you'll walk away with a 45-minute workout that I'll give you access to after the session. So please join us. It's a really important session and I hope I can share it with you.